Psychology says that when you focus on someone's face, the right side of your brain is used the most. According to human psychology, when a person starts hating someone very much, no matter how much good that person does for him, he can never win his heart. A research shows that a person can be happy for 7 days at most. No matter how much happiness comes into a person's life, it gradually diminishes after 7 days. Psychology says that if a person dreams at night based on the words he thinks repeatedly before going to sleep. According to human psychology, if a person starts copying someone else, there is a 99% chance that person loves them very much. Psychology says that if a person spends much of the day alone, he is able to understand his own mind as well as that of others. According to psychology, people will like you the most when you accept the decisions of others rather than your own. According to psychology, if a person is most willing to talk to the one he loves a lot, then that person's stress and pain is reduced a lot. Psychology says if a girl asks you more questions, then you will understand that she is very interested in you. Psychology says that if a person tries to talk to you a little faster than usual, then you will know that he is trying to hide something from you. Psychology says that if you have the quality of forgiving others, it is very beneficial for your physical well-being. Psychology says that a person who is an expert in lying is also an expert in catching lies. He can hear the other person and tell whether he is lying or telling the truth. The more beautiful a woman is, the less are her chances of finding true love, because everyone will love her for her beauty, and beauty doesn't last forever.